Welcome to another Analysis Cloud demo video. Today we are going to look at something marvelous: how to create an entire Excel macro workbook, including VBA code, with one PowerShell script. I have created a PowerShell script that creates an xlsm file and injects VBA code into it. Here we can see the table, form, macro buttons, and VBA generated by the PowerShell script. Let's run the script and see it in action. I enter the name of the script file in the PowerShell command line. The response confirms the script completed and the xlsm file was generated. Let's have a look at the Excel file. On the form sheet, we can see the labels and macro buttons. On the contacts sheet, we can see the formatted table, which acts as the database itself. And we can see the generated VBA also. So, let's now use the database by entering a new record and see it perform. And here is the PowerShell script. Examine it by accessing it from the supplied GitHub repo. Comments have been added. You will see the VBA listed within the script. Note PowerShell returns full .NET objects. This means you are effectively writing .NET commands when writing in the PowerShell language. This script is a conversion of a previous Visual Basic Scripts file created by Excel YouTuber Randy Austin. This demo is proof that advanced Visual Basic Scripts can be converted to PowerShell scripts. This is especially relevant given that Visual Basic Scripts is being deprecated.